A very good morning, kids. Today, we all are going to learn about digestion in grass eating animals like cow and buffalo. Let us see digestion in cow. In digestive system in cow, there are four chambers named rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. They quickly swallows the grass and stored it in a part of stomach called rumen. Here, the food gets partially digested and it is called curd. But later, the curd returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination, and these animals are called ruminants. Again, the food is sent into the omasum. From omasum to it's sent into the abomasum. Here the water and nutrients are absorbed in abomasum. Then the food is sent it into small intestine. Between the small intestine and large intestine, there is a part is called cecum. The cecum contains millions of bacteria to digest the cellulose which presents in the grass. Have you observed grass eating animals like cow and buffalo or other animals? They chewing continuously even when they are not eating. Right? Why? Because these animals swallows the grass quickly and again they get back that grass into their mouth and chew it again. This process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. Okay. And what are the four chambers in grass eating animal? Rumen. R-U-M-E-N. Rumen. Next one. Reticulum. R-E-T-I-C-U-L-U-M. Reticulum. Next one. Omasum. O-M-A-S-U-M. Omasum. Next one. Abomasum. A-B-O-M-A-S-U-M. Abomasum. These are the four chambers in grass eating animals. First, the animals swallows the grass quickly and the grass is, that food is, passes into the rumen. First chamber of the stomach is called rumen. And here the food get partially digested. That partially digested food is called curd. C-U-D, curd. But later the curd returns to the mouth in small lumps and animals chew it. This process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. And the grass is rich in cellulose. What is that cellulose? C-E-L-L-U-L-O-S-E. Cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. In before class, we know the two types of carbohydrates like starch and sugar. Starch and sugar are the type of carbohydrate. Right? Here, cellulose is also a type of carbohydrate. In ruminants like cattle, deer, etc., bacteria present in rumen that helps in digestion of cellulose. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest the cellulose. Cannot digest the cellulose. That means cecum. Here I said cecum is a structure, sac-like structure, presence in between the small intestine and large intestine. Between the small intestine and large intestine. That cecum contain billions of bacteria. Billions of bacteria. That bacteria is digested this cellulose. Digested this cellulose. And the cellulose of food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Okay. So, each and every grass-eating animals has the sac-like structure is called cecum. C-A-E-C-U-M. Cecum. Okay. And this cecum contains millions of bacteria. Horses, rabbit, cow, buffaloes. Right. All these grass-eating animals have large sac-like structure called cecum. This cecum contains millions of bacteria. That bacteria is digested the cellulose. Digested the cellulose. And the humans are not digested the cellulose. Cannot digest cellulose because of the bacteria is not present in humans. Not present in humans. That's why we cannot digest cellulose. We cannot digest cellulose. The grass-eating animals can because of bacteria which presence in cecum. Which presence in cecum. Okay. See, the food is eaten by the cow, and this is the esophagus. Food is passes through esophagus and stored in rumen. Stored in rumen. Here the food is partially digested. That partially digested food is called curd. Again the curd is returned to the mouth. Returned to the mouth, and again it chews it. Chews that curd and it swallows. Next the food is passes into the stomach. Passes into the stomach. That means the remaining chambers like omasum and abomasum. Here the water and nutrients are absorbed and the remaining food is passes into small intestine. Between the small intestine and large intestine there is a bag-like structure is called sac. Sac means nothing but bag. Bag-like structure is called cecum. Cecum. C-A-E-C-U-M. Cecum. It contains billions of bacteria and it digests cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate and it presents in grass. It presents in grass. Okay. This is the digestive system of ruminants. Ruminants means grass eating animals are called ruminants. Okay. Okay kids. Here you have some hard words. Make a reading video and send it to my personal number. Okay kids. Thank you.